Download and install Filmora on your computer. You can get it from the official website or the Microsoft Store. You can also try it for free before buying it. But you will have a watermark on your exported videos. Launch Filmora and create a new project. You can choose the aspect, ratio and resolution of your project, depending on your needs and preferences. You can also import your media files, such as videos, photos, or music, to the media library. Drag and drop your video clips to the timeline. You can trim, split, crop, rotate, or adjust your clips as you like. You can also add transitions, titles, stickers, or music to enhance your video. Click on the AI Portrait tab on the top menu. You will see a list of AI effects that you can apply to your video, such as background remover, face-off, face changer, sketch, cartoon, and more. You can preview each effect by hovering over it. Select the AI effect that you want to use and drag it to the timeline. You can adjust the duration and position of the effect by dragging the edges of the clip. You can also double-click on the clip to open the settings panel, where you can fine-tune the effect parameters, such as intensity, mask, or color. Add more AI effects to your video. You can mix and match different effects to create unique and fun videos. You can also use the split screen or picture-in-picture features to show multiple videos at once. Preview and export your AI video. You can play back your video in the preview window and make any changes if needed. You can also add an intro and outro, a thumbnail, and a watermark to brand your video and attract viewers. When you are satisfied with your video, you can export it to your computer or upload it directly to YouTube, Vimeo, or other platforms. These are the basic steps to create an AI video in Filmora. You can also check out the official tutorials or the user community for more tips and tricks. I hope this helps you create an amazing AI video with Filmora.